Hi there, my name is Tunlan and I am the lead organizer of Bird Colour Base. Bird plumage coloration is used to attract mates, and it's also used to blend into the background to avoid being eaten by other animals. As bird plumage coloration is so important to the survival and reproduction of birds, it's also been found that bird plumage coloration has had an important part to play in the generation of new species. There are approximately 10,000 species of birds distributed across 200 families of birds in the world, but it is currently unknown whether plumage evolution has evolved in the same way across all of these families of birds in the world. Did you know that birds can also see ultraviolet light? So they can also see what we see, but this other range of light that we don't. So when we're trying to understand the evolution of plumage colour, it's really important to account for ultraviolet coloration as well. The most precise way to do this is using a method that's called spectrophotometry. For the last couple of years, I have been asking researchers around the world that are involved in bird plumage colour evolution studies that use spectrophotometry to contribute their data to Bird Colour Base. At the moment, I have coverage from 17 labs in 8 countries and 3 continents, and this number is still growing. This has resulted in colour samples from about 3,000 species of birds in the world across about 80% of all bird families. So my first aim is to have coverage of plumage colour from all families of birds in the world. Once that I have finished collecting colour data to represent all bird families, my collaborators and I can then ask a novel range of questions about bird plumage evolution. The final goal of Bird Colour Base is to make all of this data publicly available and accessible. I have built Bird Colour Base over the last few years without any additional grant funding. I would really love it if you would be involved with helping build Bird Colour Base and making this fantastic resource an open and accessible resource for generations now and those to come.